flood warning for northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 15 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southwestern Centennial, Highlands Ranch, northwestern Castle Rock, southwestern Parker, eastern Littleton, Lone Tree, Roxborough Park, Sedalia, Castle Pines, Luthiers, and Shambhala. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.